Hello and welcome. Would you want a smooth wrinkle-free skin even at 50? Here is a natural recipe with immense goodness of Mother Nature. Let's begin. I am making a small batch for this video. You may choose to increase based on your requirement. We begin with 1 spoonful of ghee or coconut oil. It has vitamins, lipids from ghee, which provide a healthy glow and youthful hydrated complexion. The coconut oil, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Further, we add 1 spoonful of sweet almond oil. It is high in vitamin E and also minerals such as magnesium, potassium and calcium. It protects from UV rays damage and replenishes the hydration. Next, we add a spoonful of olive oil. It is full of monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants. But the most important is the castor oil. It prevents wrinkles, it fights the acne, it reduces dryness and has a huge moisturizing effect. The next is green tea. It comes with vitamin E to brighten the skin and reverses dark spots, pimple spots and skin irritations. Finally, we add some coffee. It is an exfoliant and has anti-aging effects. It also increases blood circulation. Allow it some light heat for about 30 minutes on simmer to ensure infusion. It is important to keep it in water with a soft cloth to avoid direct heat and loss of any nutrients. Once cooled, apply on skin and leave it overnight. Enjoy a soft, supple skin without any wrinkles, no matter what your age. Follow for more nature cure and natural lifestyle remedies. Namaste.